Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the breathtaking world of Ghost of Tsushima on mobile. If you're a fan of epic samurai adventures and stunning landscapes, you're in for an unforgettable experience. In Ghost of Tsushima, you step into the shoes of Jin Sakai, a samurai warrior fighting to protect his homeland from invading forces. The game beautifully captures the essence of feudal Japan, with its lush environments, intricate details, and immersive storytelling. To begin your journey in Ghost of Tsushima, search for Modvovo on Google. Click the first link for easy instructions on how to download the game and embark on this epic adventure. Gameplay combines action and stealth as you navigate through vibrant landscapes, from serene forests to breathtaking mountains. Master the art of combat using a variety of techniques, whether you prefer the honorable approach of a samurai or the cunning tactics of a ghost. As you progress, you'll encounter a rich narrative filled with memorable characters, challenging foes, and choices that shape your journey. Explore a vast, open world, complete side quests, and uncover the mysteries of Tsushima as you fight for your people's freedom. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your adventure in Ghost of Tsushima.